Hi, today I would like to do a tour of my in-home and in-progress server rack. So to start off with, it is a CPI 48U relay rack, which I know is not the most ideal way to rack mount computers because it's only a two post, but I'm working on that. As you can see, I have currently 4 computers or servers down here. We can start off with those. This bottom right one is a refurbished Dell Optiplex 380 with upgraded RAM and a graphics card. I use this for like Steam in-home streaming. It runs Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. It's not much of a server, it's just more of a streaming box. One to the left over here does run Windows Server 2012, and this is just kind of my test box to learn how to use Windows Server. Has an Athlon dual core. I think it has a graphics card in there. Nothing too fancy. The one top right HP box is a old HP Phenom quad core, used to run Vista. It is now a pfSense router. It actually does that very well. Add in a gigabit network card. And to the left over here is just an old HP Sempron, and it just runs Windows 7. It's turned into a Linux box eventually, just not even plugged in right now. And right here, below the monitor, is another old Dell Optiplex, but this one is a Windows XP machine. The only reason I have it is because I do have some programs that only work with Windows XP, and some things I just like to do in Windows XP, so the only reason I have it. Power in the computers, the monitor, everything else is my APC 1500 watt UPS, smart UPS. Just recently got it, hooked it up. Seems to work pretty good. Supplies it with clean, conditioned power. I like that. Monitor is just an old 17-inch Dell with a speaker, and it has DVI as well as VGA. So usually just use the bottom two for screen purposes. Don't need the router one. Sometimes I put the XP one on there when I need it. So that works okay. Down here is kind of my networking area. Over here I have a couple switches, 16 port right here, 5 port switch. I don't think either one of these are gigabit, don't really need it. This is my guest Wi-Fi access point basically. I turn it on when I need it. And this is the wireless access point for the pfSense router, which is kind of the main Wi-Fi. 2 keyboards here, connected to different computers. So I would plan on getting a KVM soon, so I can switch between monitor and keyboard. Above that, I just have a patch panel and cable management grooms I've never used because no need for them right now. Just kind of do nothing. But I do have plans for this rack. I would like to get a rack mount gigabit switch, something managed, so I can learn how to use managed switches, and also it looks a lot cleaner. Get rid of all this extra switches and routers. I'd also like to build a rack mount PC and put it at the very bottom. And also maybe rack mount the UPS here, pull the rack back. But any suggestions would be nice, and hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe.